Hey, to change font style on the Galaxy M34 5G, first open the settings. From here, scroll down and go to the display. Now scroll down, go to the font size and the style, open font style. Now you can find 3 default font styles. If you want to download additional, click right here. Now you will have to accept this permission to the storage, and you can find top three fonts. So if you want to get the Cool Jazz, for example, click on it. Now just wait for the download, and all you have to do is just log in with the Samsung account, or simply sign in with the Google account. If you already log into the Play Store, all you have to do is just to click right here to sign in with the Google, and then you will be able to find it right here in the settings. So it will appear just right here. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.